Hello viewers, once again announce up ke molaga channel or itu nutun update kora video ko welcome kora first day channel dia se achi laga video de Assam Chief Minister or a well-known leader Hemanta Biswa Sharma bra this time laga Lok Sabha MP election laga result opore statement digana ase itu laga statement opore ekta duita kotha ko bole video lugina first day channel dia se do video gana sa akide aro kotha koigana nacha akide itu laga statement video clip de sai sabo.
There are state level issues, particularly in this election. Meghalaya, Nagaland and Manipur. A particular religion openly went against our government in those states.
So viewers, amnan bi sob pra honi thakbo tai pra ki koise. Assam Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sharma around Northeast একটা well defined leader bra তাইবার কইছে কি this time laga Lok Sabha MP election day Nagaland Manipur or Meghalaya de BJP candidate pass noa du hole religion involved hwa nimide ase aro etu religion khan bra India government ke against kora nimide ola nai ko kana tai etu statement dis so viewers etu laga statement opore amnan ki bhabana kori right now wrong ase Idia, moi bra phapana kuri gana chai sakle do itu totally wrong ase. Tai lage statement do hole totally wrong ase. Tai reality de check no kuri gana tai itu statement do dis. Idia for example, Nagaland laga reality de tai check kora nai. Nagaland de ki ase? Nagaland de this time Lok Sabha MP election de BJP contest kora nai. Congress thagise NDP bi thagise. Was it because of their religion? No. Aro Manipur laga reality tai check kora nai Manipur de BJP ruling ase one sop jani ase religious wise je jai sugule Manipur de BJP ola thagise do kile mane maidai khan du hole 50% population ase Manipur de aro maidai khan de bisi bak Hindu ase to religious wise jai sugule do BJP automatically ola thagise do holibi tai edu reality check kora nai Manipur de violence ola bijre 1 year paus. Itu laga violence opode peace anibule India government ba ki kuris. Aro Prime Minister Narendra Modi tai ekparbi Manipur de visit kurisna nai. To mu laga phabana du hole religious wise no hegina. India government bra inaga peace na ni dia nimide Manipur manukhan eduke mon bia baise pare. Inaga vote kora nimide BJP ola nai pare. To dai bra du reality check no kurina and that's the statement dia hole it will be wrong ase aro Meghalaya debi inagaya ase ona no Meghalaya debi no olagena mi thago pare hole bi it's not because of their religion niju bra kon ge vote tiulomon ase inaga dia bra this time no ola laga ase to ta laga statement do hole totally wrong ase moi laga hisabte so viewers amnan be ki bhabana ase etia tai laga on state laga Assam laga politics laga history de sai sukla do Assam de first chief minister kun thagise Congress manu thagise aro Assam de chief ministers khan 17 ase so far to 17 majore tosta do hole Congress party laga chief ministers khan ase was it because of their religion kogole BJP do hole 2016 de Assam de ruling kora ase to itu laga akide Congress pra nohela Assam Parishad party khan bra Assam government de cholai thagise Was it because of their religion? No, it was totally wrong. Tai bra ko statement kan hole. Niju laga state labi start in kurigana tai and that's the statement dia hole. It is totally wrong as. This time laga Lok Sabha MP election laga situation de sai se bole moi pra phapana kurula para or moi pra study kurula para do hole. Freedom to vote exercise kurise. Itu nimide BJP bra niju expect kura jaga debi pass noha bisi thagise. Idia coming back to the freedom to vote or right to vote it is differentiation moi bra puchula parado inaga ase idia mon 18 years pongjise bole moan ge right to vote ti 18 years pongjise amna vote thalibolo parbo or amna ke vote na thalibi kun bra bi kolo na paribo koigina moan ge edu rights tigina holibi edu rights laga opore ekta disadvantage to ki ase family bra loigina pusti pra loigina constituency pra loigina itu manuga thalibi itu party ke thalibi na itu laga pressure under the mon vote thali right to vote pailebi mokhan एकता प्रेशर अंडर द मोहन वोट करे तो मोहन फ्रीली मोहन कुन के वोट करो मन चाहे वोट करो नदी होय मोहन के राइट टू दिसे वोट करो ले होले भी अंडर समन्स प्रेशर मोहन वोट करे होले भी फ्रीडम टू वोट कोले दो amna kun ke vote koribi vote koribi BJP hobi Congress hobi NDP hobi NPF hobi aro dusra political parties hobi kun ke vote korula ase vote koribi ko hole freedom to vote ase to edu laga differences opore this time moi bra study korule para aro moi bra sai sate this time laga election day freedom to vote to exercise korise edu nimide tate religious aha bole kami nai religious to involve honai. For example, religious wise chai sukle do UP de kile BJP ola nai UP de 80 seats ase 80 seats majore BJP bra 33 jiti se do dusra seats to kun ba jiti se aro taking an example of Ayodhya UP laga Ayodhya constituency kutte Ram Mandir this time January 6 day inaugurate kurise tade manuhan thum tham jama kurigina bisi korom idu Ayodhya laga Ram Mandir do inaugurate kura monsop dikise to religious wise jai sukla do Ayodhya constituency de BJP all out thagise do BJP ola nai do was it because of their religion no aro West Bengal is happy tare bi Hindu population bisi ase hole bi West Bengal de kun olaise Trinamool Congress olaise do BJP ola nai do Punjab de Kerala de Tamil Nadu de kile BJP khan ola nai edu sob study no kurigina mohan laga well known leader aro Assam chief minister Himanta Biswa Sharma bra ta laga statement do hole ekdam blindly aro reality de check no kurigina kwa dekhina bisi mon pe gaise kile kole election day religious to involve in no kuri hole bi tai par reality ke check no kurigina enaga statement dia do hole physical dias viewers kan amnan bi bhabana kuris Nagaland de Manipur de Meghalaya de this time laga MP election Lok Sabha election day BJP candidate no ola du hole religious manukan religious leaders kan involve Quran nimide ase religious laga naam de India government ke against Quran nimide ola nai guna ta laga statement edu dia bra achi laga video de ta laga statement du hole totally wrong ase mo laga bhapana ase kile gole agiru gonisna ta laga on state bi Congress noile dusra party khan bra rule kurigin aise this time 2016 bra do BJP Assam de ruling ayas aur inni gahe do dusra state bi BJP bra takhan phapana nisna this time laga election de chiti ula parana 2014 de majority paise BJP bra 2019 de majority paise halwi this time tahan bra election akide 400 par koise halwi election laga result tan even a majority bi na pa dikhi paas so India do hele ekta secular state ase kun ke worship kuru mon chai worship kurbo aro India do ekta democratic country ase kun ke vote kurbo mohan ke freedom to vote tikina ase to tai laga statement du hole totally wrong ase viewers kan amnan bi ki bhapana adu kina Himanta Biswa Sharma kun du North East aro India laga well known leader aro Assam chief minister laga statement obore moi laga bhapana ekta duida aji laga video ba koi di ase thank you everyone for watching my video and see you on my next video aji laga video bhal ase morom bra like comment share kori dibi aro etu nisna news ke update rakhbole moi laga channel de bi subscribe korole request kora amna sob ke janai di ase thank you